Adding a Facebook pixel to GoHighLevel allows you to track user actions on your website or funnels, enabling better ad targeting, remarketing, and performance measurement. Here's how to add the Facebook pixel to GoHighLevel. Obtain your Facebook pixel ID. Log into your Facebook Ads Manager. In the left-hand menu, go to Events Manager, then select Pixels. Choose the pixel you want to use and copy the pixel ID found under the pixel settings. Log into GoHighLevel. Access your GoHighLevel account and navigate to the settings from the left sidebar. Navigate to Tracking. Under the company settings, find and select Tracking. This is where you can add various tracking scripts, including Facebook Pixel. Add the pixel code. In the tracking section, paste your Facebook pixel ID into the Facebook pixel ID field. Save the settings. This will automatically add the Facebook pixel code to all pages of your funnels and websites within GoHighLevel. Verify the pixel. To confirm the pixel is working, use Facebook's Pixel Helper Chrome extension to check if it's firing on your website or funnel pages.